on right here. It says shining star. Shining star. And okay. I'm going to put something, because gray is a dark color to me. So, it's got gray on the inside, and then it's got... Ain't that right good? That right good? That right good? Thank you, Miss Lady. All right. Wait. No. Thought I clipped them off, but I guess that was the top of you. All right, fat mama. All right, fat mama. Wee! Hold on, good. Wee! Okay, put my diaper on, put my diaper on. Put my diaper on, put my diaper on. Diaper, wiper, wiper. Ooh, you could barely, this is size 3, y'all. This is a size 3 diaper. And you barely could do anything with that, girl. Say, you could barely do anything with that, girl. Babies with 20 strands of hair. Oh. Uh-oh. Y'all, rooting is very, very, very tedious. I know I'm probably not saying the word right, but tedious, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And a lot of artists is not going to sit up there and root all that hair on babies. A lot of them not. And like I say, I don't blame them. Because like I say, it takes a very long time. And, you know, it takes a very long time. It's very time consuming. And half the time people don't want to pay you what you want. The first thing they want to say, you're too high or you too expensive. I don't blame them. You want me to stay in the price range? Couple $100? Not even a couple $100, because if I have to do one poke in the head, I'm charging. But I'm just saying, you want me to stay in a certain price range, you're going to get a certain amount of work. And I don't blame artists at all that don't do all that rooting on their babies, because I feel it. I feel it. Like I say, I still don't think I get enough for my babies. But I try to stay in the middle. You know, I try to stay in the middle or whatever. But, you know, I can root one hair at a time. I know how. But I don't. You know why? Because I have to charge way more. It take me long to root the way I root now. Just imagine me rooting literally one hair at a time. I'm going to tax. I want some money. So, I know that baby going to sit. So, ain't no point in me doing it. But people won't, oh, you charge that much. It should be done. No, 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 no. Go research how reborn babies are made. Or, you know, you're not just slapping a layer. Well, I'm take that back. Some people do just slap a layer of paint and be done with it. But I don't just slap a layer of paint. I do many, many, many layers so that they have the most realistic look as possible. You wait, get on your body, girl. You ready, girl? You ready for happy birthday? Is you ready for happy birthday, girl? Yes. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Are you in there? I don't want to be tightening up. You ain't. Is you in there, girl? You know what? Turn around. Turn around, big baby. Oh, yes, you can root more than one. None of my babies that go home, except for I had two babies that went home that I literally did one hair at a time. None of my babies, most of my babies have 2 to 3 hairs in each hole. 2 to 3 hairs. You got some that root 10 to 15 hairs in each hole so they can get done quicker. Like I say, every artist is different. There's no wrong way. There's no, it's whatever. It's a work of art. But what I'm saying is, if I do a baby one hair at a time, I'm gonna tax because it's gonna take me gonna take me too long to do it. I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. I'm gonna literally do a baby that got one hair at a time, and watch how long it take me to sell that baby because ain't nobody gonna pay that money. Watch. I'm gonna do one. When I slow down, I'm gonna do one. And my thing is, it's gonna be a kit that I don't mind having in my nursery because guess what? That baby got a certain time limit, and it don't make it, it's gonna stay in the nursery. But I'm gonna do one just to show y'all that I do know how to do it. I've actually started to do it on one of my babies, but I like this too much. It's taking too long, and I stopped. Who I was doing one hair at a time on in my nursery. Who? What? I think it was Ray Bella. I have to look at her hair because I think it was Ray Bella that I started to do one hair at a time on, and I gave up. Um, or it might have been. You know what? It might have been Raven. Happy birthday to you. TT. You know how we roll. Look at me, mama. Look at me, mama. You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear princess. Woo! Woo! Happy birthday to you. Da 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 da. Woo woo woo. Meow. Okay, hold on, girl. Oh, where is? Oh. Inbox me for pricing. All right, mama. All right, little baby. All right, little baby. She gonna put this little cute outfit on right here. It say shining star, shining star, and okay. I'm going to put something, because gray is a dark color to me. So, it's got gray on the inside, and then it's got, because I don't wash the clothes before I send them home in them, because I don't have time to be doing all that. So I'm going to put something on her arms to protect her arms on her journey home. And then it's got these cute little pants. And this is a 12 month size. Now I say she could fit some 6 to 9 months, but it depends on the clothing, if they run big or not, because she's fat. She's fat and chunky. So it really just depends. And I don't feel like finding nothing stretchy in those 6 to 9 months. So I just said, let me do a 12 month. And like I say, I'm still kind of a little struggling trying to get this on her. And she can't help me. Put your leg in, girl. Put your leg in, girl. Put your leg in, girl, for your TT. Yeah, see, if this was 6 to 9 months, it wouldn't do her no justice. Because she's fat. She's fat, y'all. She is fat. Come on, mama. Now, we got to do some maneuvering so I can turn your legs, girl. You alright, niece?
Yeah.
Alright, fat mama. Girl. You know what? We're not going to do this. We are not going to do this. Because I know if I'm struggling, that means your mommy going to be struggling. Okay? Sorry, y'all. I'm very particular. Okay, how about come on, babies. Hold on, mama. Hold on, mama. Gosh darn it. You're not supposed to be tight enough for me. I'm trying to get you out of there. Mm-mm.